Your neighbors are going to walk past your yard this August and stop. Not because you worked harder than them, not because you spent more money than them, because you made one smart decision this June that they did not. Right now, half the gardeners in your neighborhood are losing the battle against weeds. They are on their knees, pulling the same plants out of the same spots they pulled them from last year. They will be doing it again next year and the year after that.
The other half planted ground covers that spread on their own, choke every weed underneath them, and come back fuller and thicker every single season without anyone asking them to. One group is working, the other is watching their yard take care of itself. And here is the part that matters right now. June is the last reliable window to get these in the ground before summer heat makes establishment harder. Miss this window and you lose the entire season. Here are 13 fast-spreading ground covers that choke weeds all season long. Plant these in June, starting now.
Number 1. Creeping thyme, Thymus serpillum, the weed killer that smells like your kitchen. Municipalities across the United States plant creeping thyme along road verges and pathway edges specifically to eliminate maintenance permanently. No mowing, no weeding, no intervention. The plant handles all of it. Here is what makes creeping thyme the most practical ground cover on this list. It grows only 2 to 3 inches tall and spreads outward 18 inches or more per season through low trailing stems that root wherever they touch the soil. The dense mat it forms is so complete and so tightly woven that weed seeds cannot find soil to germinate in underneath it. You are not just covering ground, you are sealing it. Hardy from zones 2 through 9. That covers almost every gardening region in the country. Drought tolerant once established, deer avoid it. The aromatic oils that make it smell like a Mediterranean kitchen are what put deer off before they ever get close enough to taste it.
In June and July, the entire mat covers itself in tiny pink, purple, or white flowers that attract bees in numbers you will not believe from something this low to the ground. Plant between stepping stones, along pathway edges, or across any slope that has been defeating you with weeds. One flat of 6 plants in June becomes a weed-proof carpet by September. For zones 2 through 5 across the northern states and Canada, elfin thyme is your most compact and most cold-hardy variety. For zones 6 through 9 across the south and west, pink chintz is the heaviest bloomer and the fastest spreader. Drop a comment right now. Do you have a weed problem area that has defeated every solution you have tried? Tell me your state. I want to know exactly what you are dealing with.
Number 2. Sweet woodruff, Galium odoratum, the medieval ground cover that solves the problem every other plant refuses to touch. Medieval Europeans stuffed sweet woodruff into mattresses because when the leaves are crushed, they smell exactly like fresh-cut hay. That same plant has been solving the dry shade problem, the notoriously difficult ground beneath large trees where surface roots steal every drop of moisture for over 500 years. Here is what the garden center never tells you. Sweet woodruff is the most aggressive spreader on this list under a tree canopy. The conditions that defeat most ground covers, deep dry shade, root competition, low nutrient soil, are exactly where sweet woodruff accelerates.
3 plants become a 4-foot weed-proof carpet in one season under conditions where nothing else will grow. White starry flowers appear in May. The aromatic foliage holds through summer. In zones 4 through 8, it is semi-evergreen through winter, providing ground cover structure even in January, when every weed would otherwise be free to establish. For zones 4 and 5, across the Midwest and Northeast, plant in spring through early June. For zones 6 through 8, across the Mid-Atlantic and Pacific Northwest, plant now through July and water weekly through the first month. Walk on it, mow it once a year if you want it contained. It does not care. This is the laziest shade ground cover in American gardening, and it is completely overlooked by every garden center because it multiplies so freely, you only ever need to buy it once.
Number 3. Creeping Jenny, Lysomachia nummularia, the ground cover that spreads so fast, first-time growers think they did something wrong. The Royal Horticultural Society has documented Lysomachia nummularia in British garden records going back to the 1600s. It has been spreading across European gardens for 4 centuries, for one simple reason. Nothing else covers ground this fast in moist conditions. Here is the production number that stops people. Creeping Jenny can spread 2 feet in a single month under good conditions. Not per season, per month. In one June planting, you can have complete ground coverage of a large bare area by August.
The chartreuse yellow-green variety called Aurea is the one you want. The color is almost electric. It glows in partial shade in a way that makes dark corners of a garden suddenly feel intentional and designed. It contrasts against almost every other plant color you put near it and makes surrounding plants look more vivid.
Hardy in zones 3 through 9, tolerates wet soil that defeats other ground covers, tolerates partial shade and full shade. The wetter and shadier the spot, the faster it spreads. If this video is showing you ground covers that would actually solve a real problem in your yard, hit the like button right now. It takes 1 second and it helps this information reach gardeners who are still pulling the same weeds every weekend. For wet, low-lying areas in zones 3 through 6, this is your #1 option. Nothing else on this list spreads as completely in waterlogged conditions. For zones 7 through 9 in the south, give it afternoon shade and consistent moisture, and it performs equally well.
Number 4. Corsican mint, Mentha requianii. The ground cover so small and so effective that professional landscape designers keep it to themselves. This is the plant experienced gardeners know about and rarely mention. It grows only 1/4 of an inch tall. You read that correctly, 1/4 inch. It forms a moss-like green carpet, so dense and so flat that from 10 feet away, it genuinely looks like someone installed a perfectly maintained putting green between your stepping stones. Every person who walks across it releases an intense spearmint fragrance that carries for 20 feet. Your pathway becomes an experience. Visitors stop without knowing why and look down to find out what they are standing on. Here is the institutional fact the garden center never prints. Historic botanic gardens across Europe have used Corsican mint as permanent interplanting between paving stones for over a century, specifically because it handles foot traffic, requires no mowing, produces no runners that escape into beds, and eliminates every weed from the cracks between stones permanently.
It does not just cover ground, it seals every gap that weeds use to establish. Hardy in zones 5 through 9. Plant it in June between your paving stones, stepping stones, or along any pathway where weeds have been winning. Water it weekly for the first month. After that, done. It handles itself completely. For zones 5 and 6, place it in partial shade for best results. For zones 7 through 9, full shade gives you the most vigorous spread and the most intense fragrance. The nursery industry does not push Corsican mint because one planting eliminates the weed problem permanently and you never need their products again. That is exactly why it belongs in your garden.
If this video showed you a solution the garden center never mentioned, hit subscribe and drop a comment telling me which ground cover you are planting this June and what state you are gardening in. I read every single one.